The topic of today's video is how to integrate Webull with Tradingview. So here we are on a Tradingview screen. I don't know, this has been loading for like 5 minutes now. So let's just do the video without it. So the first thing that we want to do is head over to the trading panel at the bottom here. And in here we want to look for Webull. So let's just scroll down and go to all brokers. And we want to just click on Webull over here. And then we're going to say connect. And this is going to open up Webull in the browser. So you're going to have to log back in and just click on log in. Once you're done there, it's going to take you back to Tradingview and you will have integrated your Webull with Tradingview. There might be other ways to do this, but I don't know them. So that's all I've got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.